Hello everyone, today we are going to start with the boron family. So let's start with it. So let's write the trends first. So under the trends, let's give the heading trends. Okay, this is the only family in the entire P block which follows only two trends and rest are all exceptions. Okay, so you don't have to do any tension about that. I will give you various tricks to remember the exceptions. So let's start with the trends. Under the trends we have, let's write down the elements first. Okay, so which is boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay, you can remember this by the following bengan alu gazar in the thela. Okay, you can follow this acronym for your for remembering this. Okay, so now on moving from top to bottom, the trend I am discussing now, on moving from top to bottom, the density increases, and also from moving from top to bottom, the boiling point, okay, decreases. These are the only two trends which are followed in the group 13. Okay, now moving on, next we come to the exception category. Exceptions. Okay, under the exception, let's first discuss the atomic size. Atomic size. Okay, so atomic size follows the order like this: barium, gallium, aluminum, thallium, indium. Okay, now why this is occurring? Why gallium is coming first? This is because of poor shielding of d orbitals. Okay, this is a very obvious fact. We will study in D block that the d orbitals are poorly shielded. Okay, next we come to the next exception, which is the electronegativity. So right here, electronegativity. Okay, now under the electronegativity we have the following order. So let's write the order first. So let's write aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, and here boron. Okay, now how to remember this? You can remember this by the order like this: Alka, Garib, Indian, Thailand, Bhaga. Alka, Garib, Indian, Thailand, Bhaga. Okay, so this was about the electronegativity. Next we come to the melting point. Okay, this is number 3, melting point. Let's erase it. Okay, so melting point. So what is the order of melting point? It will follow like this. Let's write the acronym first so that it is easier for us to relate. Okay, so it is like this: beta, let's write this, beta, alka, India से, Thailand गया. Okay, so I hope you can relate. So let's write the series now. Now see, this time the arrows will be this side, means boron is greater than aluminum, greater than indium, greater than thallium, greater than gallium. Okay, so this is the melting point series. Now after this we come to the easier one, which is ionization energy or ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy. Okay, now for remembering this, there is a famous procedure, which is you have to draw a W. Okay, so a W, this is a special kind of W. This is like this. I'm sorry, like this. Okay, so W will be this type, and next you have to do like this. Place the elements: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay, now you have to do like this. This gallium will be a bit down. Okay, this is my drawing error, like this. Okay, this is gallium. Now see, if you draw lines like this, okay, like this, you are drawing lines. What is coming first? Boron is coming first, so let's write boron. Okay, after boron, what is coming? Thallium. So thallium. After thallium, what is coming? Gallium. Very good. Next is aluminium. Okay, let's erase this. I will write it afterwards. Next is aluminium. Next is, at last we have indium. So the W was like this. So boron, aluminium, indium, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay, so here comes the end of the exception series. Now we will learn the reaction with metals and like that. So it will be coming in the next video, so you can note it down. Thank you.